Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Let's Hope We Don't Screw It Up. The other day I was looking in my clutter, my detailing stuff. I was looking for this metal polish that I don't use it anymore, and I decided to try it in another thing. I saw in other YouTube channel that it can be used for polish this sunburn in the headlights. Okay, first we're going to clean the upper area of the polish. I thought it would be a little bit dry, but it wasn't. The polish was in a very good condition. Okay, here we have the polish, and let's use a little bit of soap for this test, and we start testing a little area of our headlight. I don't know if you can see the difference, but I think that is working okay. So let's continue with the polish. Now we can see the results. I think that it's a very good change, except for that line between the part that still have the clear coat. And I think we can do it. We can polish a little bit more. I think the result was very good, but I wasn't convinced about that line, so I wanted to try a little bit further with our orbital polisher. First, we put the polisher on speed number 2, and then we can speed up to numbers 5 or 6. Okay, we start giving a little bit more polishing, and we will see the result. Here we have the final result. I think that it's a really good one. I know that this is not a definitive solution, but I think that it's a really good first step for later using a product, a clear coat product like Maguire's or 3M. And here we have the boss waiting for the job done. We also can see the result on the other headlight. It's really good, I think. Now we are going to use some sealant to protect our headlight. I know that this is not a final solution, but it's okay. Meanwhile, we can use another type of product. So what do you think about the final result? If you make it so far in this video, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to make some donation to the channel, you can check the links below in the description. So, this is it. We will see you in another video. Whoops.